So hello guys, welcome back to Backend Diaries day 7. So last day I have created a model named user schema. Today I am going to teach you how to connect two models. So last day as I have created user schema, like that let me create another model called post schema. Post.model.js. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this whole code and paste here, because we need to write the same thing, right? I just have to change the names, nothing else. So user post, or not the schema, post schema. Okay, and here just I need to change a post schema, post schema, and here let me change the name of the model as posts. Here also posts. Okay, now what should the post contain? Post should contain let's say the id, post id, obviously. So post id should be type should be string, and required it will be generated automatically. Okay, so then what I can say, source which should be type should be string. Okay, source, any source. Okay, and then last is user, who has created the post, right? User. So for the user, before writing the user, let me make some changes in the user.model also. Here what should we do? We should also write the posts. We should know how many posts or what posts the user have created, right? So they should also have the posts part, and posts should be the array, because it may be possible. Why? What is maybe? It is that user will create more than one post. We have several posts in our Facebooks, right? So that's why it will contain an array. So let's take an array. Now what we want, that the user should know how many posts he has, which means that the user should know the IDs of each and every posts, right? Same in the post, it should contain the ID of the user, right? User model, because which post is created by whom, the data should be present with the post also, right? So we should interconnect them. How to interconnect them? Let me first connect the user with the post. How to connect? We are going to write type. In the type we are going to write mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id. What happened? Why is, oh sorry, this is going to be object, my mistake guys, sorry. This is going to be an object type, and that will be, as I have written, mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id. Yeah, object id. And what should be the reference? What should be, this is the type. Okay, now we need to give the reference with whom we are going to connect. We have to give the name of the model, right? So model name is posts, right? We have to give this name because we are going to connect with this model, right? So ref should be posts, and that's it. The user model is connected with the post model, and how many ever the posts will be created, each and every IDs will be present in this array. That's the case, guys. Now we need to connect the posts with the user. So let's create the post in the user. One post can have only one user, right? So here we don't need to give any array, only one is enough, right? Only one field is enough. There are no multiple fields for post. Common sense, right? Because one post can have only one user, right? That's the case. So same thing you will be writing type. Type will be mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id. And then what should be the reference? Reference should be again the model name, which is users. Control C, Control V, and that's it, guys. So you have connected successfully two models. Like this, several models are being connected with each other when we are creating any type of post in the Facebook or anywhere, right? You can, in the post also, you can see the who has created the creator's name, right? You can see. Similarly, in the post, in the users, in your friends, you can see that whatever the post they have created, you will see in their profile page, right? How? Because all the data are interconnected with each other, all the models are interconnected with each other. The user data stores all the IDs of all the posts created by the user, and similarly the post model stores each and every IDs of the each and every post stores the IDs of the users, of the respective users. That's the case, guys. I hope you understood that, and you like this video. So just go on coding.